Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a little Sith apprentice named Darth Maul. He had a special mission to protect the dark side of the Force. Every night, Darth Maul would gaze at the stars, dreaming of his future conquests. He was small, but he had a big dream. One night, the sky was especially beautiful. The stars twinkled like diamonds, and the moon cast a soft glow over the planet. Darth Maul looked up at the sky and whispered, "I will be the greatest Sith Lord of all time." Suddenly, a shooting star streaked across the sky. Darth Maul wished for the power to fulfill his dream. As the star disappeared, a mysterious voice echoed, "Your wish is granted, little one. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility." From that night on, Darth Maul grew stronger and stronger. He learned the ways of the dark side, and he used his powers to protect his people. But he never forgot the voice's words, and he always remembered that with great power comes great responsibility. Darth Maul became a great Sith Lord, but he never lost sight of his humble beginnings gazing at the stars on a peaceful night. And so, Darth Maul's starry night became a reminder of his journey, a reminder of his dream, and a reminder of the responsibility that came with his power.